Brad
How to create
Williams,
a
Excel
dependent list.
Prime.
As with other examples, here we just have GM vehicles listed here. You input this data yourself. It's mandatory that the entry be a GM vehicle. To set this up, what we have to do is identify the set of information on the left, the data that you inputted. Pick a cell. We go to data validation, hit data validation, and then we have this list of options. Hit list. You're going to want to highlight the range, F6 to F11, and hit OK. If you want this drop-down arrow, go over here and keep this enabled. If you want a message, you can put a message there. If you want an error message as normal, that's as simple as it gets. You hit OK. That's a quick example of making a data validation list.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.